Managing Mucus and Phlegm Naturally, a step-by-step guide. While certain natural remedies may help alleviate mucus and phlegm in the sinus, chest, and lungs, it's important to note that these remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing persistent or severe respiratory symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. With that in mind, here's a guide on how lemon, olive oil, cinnamon, and honey can potentially assist in managing mucus and phlegm. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm water, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of honey. Instructions: ensure the water is warm, but not boiling, as excessively hot water can be harmful. Measure out 1 cup of warm water and pour it into a glass or mug. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the warm water. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which is known to have antioxidant properties and may help boost the immune system. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the mixture. Olive oil is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and can potentially soothe the respiratory system. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of cinnamon into the mixture. Cinnamon is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, which may assist in reducing mucus production. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of honey to the mixture. Honey is often used as a natural cough suppressant and may help soothe irritated airways. Stir the ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined. Usage: it's recommended to consume this mixture once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Take small sips of the mixture rather than drinking it all at once. This will allow the ingredients to coat your throat and respiratory system more effectively. Repeat this process for several days or until you experience relief from mucus and phlegm. However, if your symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare professional. Additional tips: stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help thin out mucus and keep your respiratory system hydrated. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water or using a humidifier can help moisten and loosen mucus, making it easier to expel. Saltwater gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle with it to soothe a sore throat and potentially reduce mucus. Elevate your head. Use an extra pillow or raise the head of your bed slightly to promote better drainage and prevent mucus from accumulating in the throat. Remember, these home remedies may provide temporary relief, but they are not intended to cure underlying conditions. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it is important to seek medical attention for a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.